this one, this determinant is equal to this determinant, but I don't want to simplify the determinant. So first I want to take LHS and need to prove RHS. So LHS equal to LHS, left hand side, A square BC, B square CA, C square AB. A square BC, B square CA, C square AB. So this one. Next, so we need 1 A square B square C square A cube B cube C cube. So I want to multiply and divide with ABC, A square BC, B square CA, C square AB. So I am multiplying and divide with ABC. ABC getting cancelled, we are getting the older determinants. So, and one more thing, I want to take denominator as it is 1 by ABC. So observe the numerator ABC. I want to multiply this A with first row, B with second row, C with third row. If you are multiplying A with first row, A square, A into E, A square, A into A square, A cube, A into BC, ABC. Next, B second row, B into B square, B into B square, B into B square, B cube, B into CA, ABC, CA into B, ABC. Next, C into third row, C into C square, C into C square, C cube, C into AB, ABC. Now, if we observe third column ABC common. So ABC common. So already denominator ABC. Now the remaining first column A square, B square, C square. Second column A cube, B cube, C cube. Third column 1. Now ABC getting cancelled. So we are getting this determinant A square A cube 1, B square B cube 1, C square C cube 1. So if we observe answer, first column is 1, but here in the third column 1. So I want to interchange these two columns, first column and third column. If we are interchanging any two columns or any two rows, then automatically the sign of the determinant will be changed. So implies first 1. So second as it is A cube, B cube, C cube. Third one A square, B square, C square. So we are interchanging first and third columns. So then automatically the sign of the determinant will be changed. So sign change is, so I am taking minus, multiplying with minus. Next 1. Okay. We got first column. Second column A square, B square, C square. But here the third column A square, B square, C square. Again I want to interchange second and third columns. If we are interchanging second and third columns, again the sign of the determinant will be changed. Minus into minus plus 1. Next A square, B square, C square. Third column will become second column. Second column will become third column. A cube, B cube, C cube. So this is equal to RHS. Therefore, A square BC, B square CA, C square AB equal to 1 A square A cube, 1 B square B cube, 1 C square C cube. So this is the proof. First one. Next, coming to the second question. If we are taking the second question, that Ax, By, Cz, x square, y square, z square, 1 equal to A, B, C, x, y, z, y, z, zx, xy. So we need to prove this one. Okay. Now I want to take LHS. Ax dy cz x square y square z square 1 1 1. So I want to prove this one a b c. So here ax by cz. So we don't need x, we don't need y, we don't need z. In this x square y square z square. Here we x y z. So in this and in this first row and second row x y z are additional. So what I am doing is, so I want to take x common in first column. I want to take x common. So x. It doesn't contain x, even though I am taking common. How I am taking common, I will explain. In this I am taking y. In this I am taking z. If we are taking this one common, so if we are taking x common, we are getting a. In this x common, x. In here it is containing only 1. It containing only 1, nothing common. So here we are taking x common 1 by x. 1 by x into x equal to 1. Next, similarly, b y square y common y 1 by y. Next, c z square z 1 by z. Now I want to multiply this x y z with the third column. X y z. First a b c. Second x y z. Third I want to multiply x y z with x y z by x, x y z by y, x y z by z. Z cancel, y cancel, x cancel, a b c. Next x y z. Next x x cancel, y z, z x, x. So this is equal to r. So this is the required proof. Next, third one. 1 bc b plus c, 1 ca c plus a, 1 ab a plus b equal to 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube. So we need to prove this one. So first what I am doing is LHS, left side I am taking 1 bc b plus c, 1 ca c plus a, 1 ab a plus b. So I am taking LHS. After taking this LHS, if we are observing this one 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube, what I am doing is I want to multiply this first row with a, second row with b, third row with c. So a b c by a b c I want to write first 1 b c b plus c, 1 ca c plus a, 1 ab a plus b. So 1 by a b c denominator. A is first row, a into 1 a into b c a b c, a into b plus c a b plus a c. Next b into 1 b, b into ac b a c or a b c, b into c plus a, b into c b c, b into a b. Next c into third row, c into 1 c, c into a b a b c, c into a plus b a c plus b c. Next, so in second column I want to take ABC common. So if you are taking ABC common, ABC by ABC. ABC first column ABC, second column 1 1 1. I am taking ABC common 1 1 1. Third column AB plus AC, BC plus AB. Next AC plus BC. Now, so we need 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 C square C2. So if we are observing the like that, this is 1a square, 1b b square, 1c c square. Question, some modification in the right side. Actually question it is 1a square, 1b b square, 1c c square. Okay, now if we are observing this one, so AB plus AC, BC, C plus AB, AC plus BC. I don't need this combination actually. So to avoid this combination, what I am doing is C3 changes to C3 minus A plus B plus C of C1. This is C1, C2, C3. I am changing C3 with the elementary operation. C3 changes to C3 minus A plus B plus C into first column. So ABC cancel. So A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. First AB plus AC. Next minus of A plus B plus C into C1. C1 corresponding element A into minus A into E minus A square minus B into A minus AB minus A into C minus C. So simply first C1 and this AB plus AC minus of A plus B plus C of C1 corresponding element A into this one A into A square before minus A square minus A into B minus AB minus A into C minus C. Next, now first C3 BC plus AB. Next one, this B into this one minus B into E minus AB minus B into B minus B square minus B into C minus BC. Next, third column AC plus BC correspondingly C into A minus B into A minus AC minus B into B minus BC minus C into C minus B square. Okay, anything cancel, AB cancel, AC cancel, BC cancel, AB cancel, AC cancel, BC cancel. Now ABC 1 1 1 minus A square minus B square minus C square. So I want to interchange the first two columns. If we are interchanging first two columns, so determinant sign will be changed. 1 1 1 A B C minus A square minus B square minus C square. I want to take minus common. Minus into minus plus 1 A square 1 B square 1 C square. This is equal to we need to prove this one. So similar kind of question. Without expanding the denominator, show that B plus C plus A, A plus B, C plus A, A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C plus A equal to 2 into that of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. We need to prove this one. So if we need to prove this one, so what I am doing is first denominator is always in the linear combination. So better I want to do. So this is R1, R2, R3. R1 I am changing as R1 plus R2 plus R3, adding all these three. So then B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. First element. Next, this is LHS. C plus A plus B, B plus C. Next one, A plus B, B plus C plus C plus C. Next, I am changing only R1. R2 and R3 remain same. So C plus A plus B, B plus C. Next, A plus B, B plus C, C plus C. So simply I am adding these three, I am writing in the corresponding positions. So next, so if we are observing 2A, 2B, 2C. So 2 of A plus B plus C. Next 2A, 2B, 2C. Same 2 of A plus B plus C. Again 2A, 2B, 2C. 2 of A plus B plus C. Next C plus A plus B, B plus C. Next one A plus B, B plus C plus A. So what is common in first row? 2 of A plus B plus C common. If we are taking 2 of A plus B plus C common, we are getting 1. But we need to prove A, B, C like that. So I don't want to take entirely common. Here it is 2. That's why I want to take only 2 common. So if we are taking only 2 common, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Next, C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus D. So this one. Next, so observe first row, second row, third row. First columns I am observing A plus B plus C plus A plus B. So if you are observing A, B, C, A, B. If we are subtracting this one from this one, we are getting C and A getting cancelled. So what I am doing, C R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. First, 2 of A, first row same, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Second row, C plus A minus C plus A minus B minus C. Next, A plus B minus A minus B minus C. Next, B plus C minus A minus B minus C. Next one, A plus B minus A minus B minus C. B plus C minus A minus B minus C. Next, C plus A minus A minus B minus C. So A cancel, C cancel, C cancel, B cancel, B cancel, A cancel, A cancel, not B, C cancel. So here also A cancel, B cancel. Next, in this B cancel, C cancel. The remaining 2 of A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Next one, the remaining is minus B, minus C, minus A. Next, in this minus C, minus A, minus B. So if we are adding these three, A plus B plus C, minus B minus C, B cancel, C cancel. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 2 into A plus B plus C minus B minus C. A plus B plus C minus C minus C. A plus B plus C minus A minus B. So remain minus B minus C minus A minus C minus A minus B. So in this B cancel, C cancel, C cancel, A cancel, A cancel, B cancel. Remain 2 of. So in this I am taking minus common. 2 of A, B, C, B minus common. B, C, A, C, A, B. So minus into minus plus. So 2 of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. So this is R. So this we need to prove. Okay. Next question. So coming to the next question. If omega is the complex cube roots of unity. Example 4. If omega is complex cube roots of unity, then show that 1 omega square 1 omega square 1 omega equal to 0. So we need to prove this one. Actually, what is cube roots of unity? So this is related to complex numbers. You will know this one in the second year. So I want to tell you the required information of this problem. So omega is the cube roots of unity. These two conditions are satisfied. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Omega cube equal to 1. These two conditions are satisfied if omega is the cube roots of unity. So what I am doing, I am taking the determinant 1 omega square, omega square 1, omega square 1, omega. So R1 I am changing R1 plus R2 plus R3. Elementary operations I am applying. So if we are doing R1 plus R2 plus R3, what happens? 1 plus omega square, omega square plus 1, omega square plus 1 plus omega, remaining are omega square 1, omega square 1, omega. So already what we know, 1 plus omega square equal to 0. The entire row is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, omega square 1, omega square 1, omega equal to. So entire row is equal to 0, so it is equal to 0. Hence we need to prove it is equal to 0. Okay, next question. Next question is, show that the determinant. Question number example 6. Show that the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 is always 0. We need to take a determinant of skew symmetric matrix which is equal to 0. So I am taking the example of skew symmetric matrix. Any skew symmetric matrix we are taking. So in the skew symmetric matrix, all the diagonal elements are equal to 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is equal to 0. Next, these two corresponding positions additive inverse. If it is equal to A, this is minus B. If it is equal to B, this is minus B, corresponding position. If it is equal to C, this is minus. Now the determinant of this is equal to 0. We need to prove this determinant is equal to 0. So 0 into 0 into 0, 0. This side plus C square minus A into 0, 0 minus BC plus minus B into minus A into minus C plus AC minus C implies 0 into something 0 minus A into minus BC plus ABC minus B into AC minus ABC plus ABC minus ABC 0 cancel equal to 0. So this is the proof. Therefore, whatever the determinant you may take of a skew symmetric matrix, whatever the skew symmetric matrix you may take, the determinant is always equal.